front of me is REALME Narzo 35G, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So at first let's open list of all apps, go to settings then, and locate digital well-being and parental controls. Now click on show your data under your digital well-being tools. And here you will be able to detect time spent on your device. So here you've got just some general stats, but if you will click in the middle of the circle again, you'll be able to find some more detailed info. So here we've got today, you can check it, and each app that have been opened and for how long that has been opened. But also if you've been using this device for a bit longer and you've got some way more history, you will be able to find it right here. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.